Greetings and thanks for joining me. My name is Mike Broadbeck. This next video, we're going to concentrate on the 9608 phone and the button layout and options available to you with these buttons. So we're just going to describe them and generally what they do. In the next videos, we'll drill down into actually how to use this phone. But I just want you to know what you're looking at, and that's what we're trying to accomplish here. So we'll start with what you see on the screen. This is just your traditional grayscale screen. It's very crisp and easy to see. The video doesn't do it as much justice as I would like it to. It actually looks a little bit crisper in person. But moving on, what you see in the top left here is the user that I am logged in as, which is user 1. Then you see the extension I'm logged in as, which is 2101. You see what time it is, and you also see that it is Halloween, so happy Halloween. Right below the date, you see that I am logged into an agent group. So AG just means agent group. If I was just logged into a regular hunt group that wasn't an agent group, it would just say G. Below that and to the left, we have our two appearance keys. Right now, these say A equals or B equals. They can say whatever you want them to say. That's entirely programmable. If you are more comfortable with them saying line 1 or line 2, that is certainly doable. Below we have redial, and then to the right we have features. Features, we'll drill down into this later, but you can see that there are several submenus available to you there. Moving below that, we have our voicemail retrieval button, which right now and by default takes you individual voicemail, where you can listen to your voicemails, leave voicemails, all that kind of thing we'll get into later. You have your directional keys, your selector key for when you're navigating menus. Okay, and then to the right of that we have our return to home screen, which is a picture of a phone. Hit that, and you go back to your start screen. Down below a little bit more, we have our directory and contacts button. We have our administration menu, and we have our call list button. So contacts is just what you think it is. It brings you into your contacts. Your A menu is options and settings for the phone, ranging from basic to advanced. And your contacts button, or actually, I'm sorry, not your contacts button, your history button brings you into your call history so that you can easily call folks back if necessary from here. And then again, we can use this button to return to home. You have a headset button, so if you want to place or receive a call that's coming in or alerting, you hit your headset to take it on your headset, and then right below that you have speakerphone in case you want to move that call over to speakerphone or answer it on speakerphone. And then we have our traditional numeric keypad, and then to the right of that we have volume up and volume down, as well as mute. In the idle state with the volume up down, you can change your ring volume just right there from the home screen. And that is really the long and short of the buttons on this phone. So one thing I really didn't touch on yet is you might be wondering, what are these buttons for? Okay, so these are programmable feature buttons that map to the corresponding grid that is next to the button. So if I wanted to use, line A or call appearance A, I would hit that button. Now I could have 8 different call appearances on this home screen if I wanted to, or I could have a myriad of other features mapped to these buttons. They're entirely programmable, and the limitations are very sparse, and the ability is very vast as far as what we can make the phone do. So that is, without getting too deep into any one thing, the general layout of this phone. I hope that was helpful, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks again.